Hello kids, already we learned simple present and past tense. How to use the simple present? So when we talk about simple present, what verb do we use? So it is based on the verb. So we use the first verb like eat, jump, sit, stand. We can't use ate. The past form we are not supposed to use in simple present, but in simple past we use the past form of the verb. Like if it is eat, we use ate. Drink, drank. So drank is the past form which we use for past tense. Now in simple present there is one logic which we use in for general truths, and for he, she, it we use the verb form plural. Now if you see with I, we, you, they, we use the singular verb like eat. Means I eat, we eat, I jump, we jump, they jump. So in this way we use for simple present. But coming to the things like he, she, it, any person, boy, girl or anything, we use the plural verb like eats and jumps. Sun shines, sun is a thing, we say sun shines. Plant grows. So when it is talking about simple present, we want to observe he, she, it when a boy, girl and a thing is there. But in past, everywhere we can use a past verb only. Now let us go to the context. Amit gets fill in the blanks with the correct simple present tense forms of the given option. Observe that the question is about simple present tense. So in simple present tense, regular actions must get according the simple present. So where we use with a boy, a girl or a thing, we use plural verb form. Okay, Amit is a boy, so we use gets up. In the same way, Samira dash mass every day. So what do you use with verb? We must use. So when boy, girl and thing is there, only singular thing. But plural we want to use singular verb. But when singular is there, a boy, a girl and a thing, we use plural of the verb. So remember properly. With Samira, Samira is a girl, what do we use? Now the birds are plural. What do they do? So what do we use? How the verb is used? For plural, like I, we, you, they, we use only singular verb. No yes will be added for it. So basing on that, you want to find the second answer. In the same way, the dash watch TV. They is plural. In the evening. So in the evening do they watch? So for using present, we use do. For I, we, you, they, and for he, she, it, we use does. When we are using he, she, it, we use does. So basing on this, you can write the answer. Now, fourth one, does the school bell ring after every period? Now, yes, your answer must be what? This is the regular action which we are observing in our school also. Now, basing on this, you want to complete till 10th question where you want to read the question carefully, and if he is a person, a boy, a girl or one singular thing, we want to use the plural form of the verb, otherwise the singular form of the verb. Basing on this, try to complete till the 10th question just by reading each and every question carefully. Now coming to the B option, fill in the blanks with the correct simple past tense forms of the given options. So as I told you already, we want to use only past one. For every verb, we have a past form. So try to find the past form from this context. Now see, I ate an ice cream. When in past we use not eat, we use ate. Now Ravi dash a tricky question if you come to the 11th one. So what past word we use? Remember that we are using only simple past. All the options are given. In this you want to just identify which word is used for past form. We dashed the launch yesterday. So observe that yesterday is given. So what we want to use? Read the options carefully to find the past word. The monkey dashed the tree quickly. The young boy dashed the heavy box. Everywhere you want to use only the past form. So try to read the question and try to complete till 20. So only past forms you want to use. Now, if you come to the achiever sections, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. You want to see and observe whether it is the sentence is in the present form or in the past form. Some words help you to find whether it is in present or past. The test dash at 9 a.m. Now they are telling that the test, so it is a thing. Test is, it's a singular. So what type of verb we use? So basing on the questions, you can, basing on the options, you can give the answer. So if the correct answer is there or not there, just by using the options you can find it. We dash to the market yesterday. So it's about yesterday. So go, went, gone, going, which is the past form of go here. So we want to use the past form or we want to use the present form basing on the context you want to give. In the same way, you want to answer the 23rd, 24th, and 25th. See that the sentence. If it is a regular sentence, it comes under present. If not, they will be a past.